Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to create a Roblox account. So to do that, first of all, open the Roblox application that you have downloaded. This will direct you to the home page. To create an account, you tap on sign up, tap that. Now to create a Roblox account, you will need to provide all this information over here. Type in your date of birth, then tap on confirm birthday. Now you need to provide a username. Here for the username, you need to contain only letters, numbers and must be in between 3 to 20 characters long. As you can see, this is already in use, so you need to provide a different one. I can use this username for my Roblox account, and then you type in the password. Then you choose your gender and then tap on sign up. And with that, you will be able to create your Roblox account with the username and the password. Now here you can also add a email address and a phone number for the easy access or for the recovery of your account if it needed. Tap on add email and here you provide your email address to your account. And then tap on continue. Please click the information in the mail we sent to the WebToTech Gmail. So what you need to do is you need to confirm your email address. Go and check out your Gmail. There's the Roblox mail on top. Tap that. Then on the email, you need to tap on verify email. This will verify your email for the Roblox. Your email has been verified. Now if you go back to the application, your email verification will be completed. So this is how you can create a Roblox account for yourself. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.